And she's away.
Getting better at launching.
Yeah.
Oh my word.
Hit the dirt.
It's 3D. Get it to go right. There you go. Move your controller.
Lean. Everybody lean.
I think this is going to be a lot like a heli too, where you're always flying it.
Can you give me some right angle on your feet? And see where I'm holding the right stick, look? A bit more right rudder. Probably take the rudder to the max if you can. Yeah, that'll do it. Like that. Wow. Yeah, still holding the rudder there. That's it.
Oh, she's level.
Is it pulling up now or no? Yeah, you're at half throttle, so it's fine after a little bit.
That's actually flying great. He's throwing it down there, see?
Is that right? Not hover.
Maybe that's the thing with these, maybe you can't turn around.
Look at my J-cup, right? The engine's got a...
On the angle? May have to angle the motor towards
I'm wondering.
Okay.
It's like my J-cup, right?
It's kind of flying reasonable to the left, isn't it? Yeah. I'm holding the front down still. I wouldn't say it's the smoothest flight I've ever flown, but
It's flying. And it's a boat.
Are you doing up elevator or something?
no down. Get it back in.